The fact that the universe is expanding constitutes one of the basic assumptions of modern cosmology today. When someone starts talking about the expansion of the universe, it has come to one of the most studied issues in the field of cosmology. The discovery that the universe we live in is expanding deeply affected many scientists, and some even doubted the discovery made. How is the expansion of the universe explained? In its classical definition, the expansion of the universe can be understood as the increase in the distance between any two points in space that is not under the influence of gravitational force. The expansion of the universe is a true expansion in which the measure of distance in space itself changes. Contrary to popular belief, galaxies or other objects in space do not move. Only the empty space between them is constantly expanding. This type of expansion is called metric expansion. In mathematics and physics, the expression metric means the measurement of distance and expresses that the understanding of distance itself within the universe has changed. The expansion rate of the universe. How fast is the universe expanding? The first concrete discovery that the universe is expanding was made by Edwin Hubble using the velocity-redshift relationship. This relationship, also known as Hubble's law, it means that there is a ratio between the speed at which galaxies are moving away from us and the redshift phenomenon in the wavelength of the light they emit. According to the latest measurements, the universe is expanding at a rate of 73 kilometers per second per megaparsec. This expression means in a region covering 3.26 million light years in all directions from the observer, the universe is expanding at a rate of 73 kilometers per second. What is the universe expanding into? Well, we understood everything. We can ask a question like, what is the universe expanding into? The short answer to this question is as follows. If the universe is infinitely large, then nothing will have to expand into it, because it is impossible to talk about such a situation for an infinitely large universe. If the universe is not infinitely large, then it would not be wrong to ask whether there is something outside the universe, or what is the universe expanding into. Let's say we somehow reached the end of the universe. What would the end of the universe look like? There is no answer to this question either. But one thing we do know is that the universe does not seem to have a boundary. Scientists have a strong belief that although the universe is not infinitely large, it has no boundaries.